Hello friends, my name is Ramasud. Today we'll discuss about a topic that how to manage high risk project. Friend, today's topic is very interesting and very important with respect to project management so let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So friend, let's start. How to manage high risk project. First of all, we have to understand that by managing, what does it mean? Friend, when we talk about managing, we are basically talking that uh, the monitoring and controlling of projects should be very good. Why? Because see, you should have a close eye on the cost, on the schedule, and if there is any need to make correction or to just get back the project on track, so we have to take it accordingly. So that is the concept of managing actually. Then what does it mean by high risk? High risk of a project, what does it mean? Basically friend, high risk means, for example, the project is in a very critical stage. For example, technology is very difficult, different or difficult. The resources are not trained. The lots of cost or lots of money is on a stake. So first of all, we have to understand that what does it mean by high risk actually. High risk means that either you are saying that if you lose this project, so you have to face loss of money. So what does it mean? So basically, first of all, we have to understand the high risk as well. Now, how to manage the high risk project? Basically friend, we must have to deliver, we must have to compile a project management plan with a detail and nitty-gritties as well, like how things are going, how we are going to deliver the things. And project management plan means scope, schedule, cost, risk, issues, or communication. All these things should be planned properly. This is the most important factor to manage a project. Then engage the stakeholder properly. Engaging means friend that like you can do the kickoff meeting, status meetings, steering meetings. So also these are the meetings with the customer. You can do the internal meetings as well with the team, with the senior management, presentations. So properly engagement of stakeholders either internally or externally, it's very necessary so that everyone should be on the same page. Then the effective communication plan. Communication is the pillar or to manage the risk project. Why? Because see friend, most of the project fail just because of poor communication. So communication means either the written communication or verbal communication. This is very important that your communication plan should be very clear. Okay, then the communication what you are doing with the customer, with the team, should be very clear and very effective in terms of verbal, in terms of written as well. Then you should have a risk plan in your mind in the on the document. Like first of all, we have to identify the risk which can occur in a project. Then we should have a response planning as well against those risks. Like if any particular risk occur in a project, so how will you handle that particular risk? This is called the concept of risk response planning. And to handle the risk, someone should be assigned as well. Like the ABC person is a person who will be responsible to handle that particular risk if it occurs. It should be properly documented and it should be properly circulated as well. Have an efficient escalation plan. If anything is not working fine, like for example resources are not working properly, they are not coming on time, so any particular problem which you are facing, so we should have a escalation plan as well. Escalation internally, escalation with customer as well. Escalation means friend that for example the technical resource is not delivering the things properly, so you should have escalation. Like you can talk to functional manager. If functional manager is not responding, then you can talk to CTO. If not, then you can talk to the board. So escalation matrix should be properly defined and communicated. Then the most important thing is that to handle a high risk project is the you need a talented people. Friend, see, if project is difficult and complicated, so you need very skilled and very experienced resources. if the resources are junior, they are not capable enough, they are not very skilled, so already the project is very risky and very complicated, and it is resources are also not skilled and experienced. So obviously friend, this will become a huge failure and huge problem as well. So you need properly trained, skilled and experienced resources to deliver a high risk project. This is a very important point. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for your time, and that's all from my side. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you friends.